Every year, same story, tangled lights, a yard that never quite looks right, and events that feel like they're missing something. You have a vision. You just need someone who can actually bring it to life. Illuminating Design is Atlanta's premier lighting company. With over 20 years of transforming homes, events, and businesses into experiences people never forget. Landscape lighting that makes your home feel like a sanctuary. Permanent trim lighting set at once, celebrate every season. Event lighting that turns any venue into something extraordinary. And holiday displays that stop traffic in your neighborhood. Design, sourcing, installation, service, we handle every detail so you don't have to lift a finger. If Netflix, the City of Atlanta, and the world of Coca-Cola trust us, your home and your event are in the right hands. Make it your time to shine. Call Illuminating Design today and get your free custom quote.